In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an A4 document using custom size. If you're preparing a printable flyer, a resume, or any document that needs to match standard paper dimensions, setting up your canvas to A4 at the start saves time and prevents resizing headaches later. A4 is the most common paper size in many regions, and getting it right ensures your layout looks correct on screen and in print. Begin by heading to the top right corner of your design dashboard and selecting Create a Design. From the menu that appears, choose Custom Size. This option lets you precisely define the dimensions rather than relying on presets. It's especially helpful when you need a guaranteed match with a standard like A4 or when a client requests exact measurements. Next, enter the A4 dimensions. For a portrait document, set the width to 210 and the height to 297. These numbers represent millimeters, which is the preferred unit for print accuracy. Using exact values avoids the scaling that can happen if you work in pixels. If you plan to design in landscape orientation, keep the same numbers but reverse them so the width is 297 and the height is 210. That way, your content fits correctly without stretching. Before you confirm, make sure the unit is set to millimeters. If you see a different unit, like pixels or inches, click the unit drop-down and change it to mm. Millimeters are a print-friendly measurement, and they align with standard paper sizes globally. If you're used to inches, remember that 210 mm is approximately 8.27 inches, and 297 millimeters is about 11.69 inches. But sticking with millimeters keeps everything exact. When your width, height, and unit look correct, click Create New Design. Your canvas will open at A4 size, ready for you to begin. Take a quick moment to glance at the size label in your editor, usually visible near the canvas settings. To confirm, it reads 210 by 297 mm. This tiny check can prevent layout issues later. From here, you're set to design confidently, knowing your document matches the A4 standard. If you're preparing for professional printing, consider leaving comfortable margins and, if your platform supports it, enabling bleeds so backgrounds or images extend cleanly to the edge. Most importantly, starting with the correct custom size ensures your text, images, and spacing translate perfectly from screen to paper. That's it. Your A4 document is ready to go.